Hello, great viewers. We have an interesting question here. Root of s over 2 plus root of s over 8 equal to 6. Please hit the subscribe button and follow us for more. Now let's move now. S over 2 plus s over 2 which is times 1 over 4 equal to 6. Now recall that root AB can be singled as A dot which is times B. So let's solve it in terms of this. We have root S over 2, then plus root S over 2 dot root 1 over 4 equal to 6. Again, root S over 2 plus root S over 2 times root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2, equal to 6. If you enjoy what we are doing, give us a thumb up and hit the subscribe button. Now, these two terms, what is common here is root S over 2, so let me single it out. Root S over 2 divided root S over 2, you get 1, plus root S over 2, we cancel this, we are left with 1 over 2 equal to 6. S over 2, LCM of 1 over 1 and 2 is 2. Let's take the butterfly method. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1 times 1 is 1, which is equal to 6. Now, root of S over 2 into 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 equal to 6. Now, to navigate away from here, let's multiply both sides by the inverse of 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3. So this will give us root S over 2 times 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. 3 will go, 3 will go, equal to 6. The same inverse of this, which is times 2 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Now let's proceed further. If you enjoy the video, give us a thumb up and you'll get notification. Now we are left with root S over 2 equal to 2 times 2 will give us 4. Now the next way out, let's square both sides to remove the square root. Square will remove the square root, so S over 2, 4 square will give us 16. Now, we are close now. Let's multiply both sides by 2 or cross multiply. So this is S equals to 2 times 16. Therefore, S is equals to 32. Follow us for more and hit the subscribe button. Bye.